What's up, guys? It's your boy T and A, or A and T, and we are actually at the Conacetti Park. There's a dog parade going on around here. I didn't even know that, so we're gonna go around and just vibe, get some content, bro. Let's go. We're going to find the love of our lives.
Why the fuck you lying?
Say what you just said, bro.
Bro, this is actually Fortnite lobbies right now.
Bro, we don't know what's going on here, bro. We got the dogs right next to us, bro. What is going on? There's barely any dogs. This is just like, this is clickbait, bro.
Yeah, facts.
This was clickbait. See this? That's man-made. But this right here, guys, is real. We're gonna get lost and never find a way out, bro. Nah, just stay, just sit. Really just stand in this nature, bro. We can't even walk down here, but this shit is relaxing. This is so healing.
Legendary loot, bro.
Legendary loot. Category. I love to see from the community everybody coming together to walk for the dogs. Beautiful. This is just crazy, bro. What's down here, bro?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
We gotta, the best paths, guys, are the paths that are not took. I swear.
This is wonderful, bro.
Dead ass. This is actually a crazy sight, bro. Dude. Hell yeah. This is so green, bro.
Yeah.
Greatness.
Have you ever
Talk about life, bro.
we're tapped in, bro.
We chose this life, bro. My friends, I'm so grateful for y'all. To the people watching, I'm so grateful for y'all. Because at the end of the day, you guys make this shit happen, bro. You guys make us have freedom. Honest to God, like, thank y'all, YouTube. Yo, why are you breathing so heavy, bro? It's the life we manifest, bro. Be a creator, don't be consuming it. Be a creator. Seriously. At the end of the day, this is what the creator made. At the end of the day, this is truly life. New objective, guys.
Going to pick up CJ.
CJ Smith has been unlocked. And we have to find the cargo. Literally. But this is about to, bro, this is about to be a blessed day for everybody.
Facts.
South Zone 3.
We in South Zone 3.
He spawned where the Spino's at, bro.
Oh no. It's near the obelisk, bro.
Like right under Red Obelisk?
Yeah,
Yeah.
right under Red Ob.
We gotta find him, bro.
No, I called him. He said he got dropped off at an alternate location, and I don't know what that location is, but he said he's in the woods.
Bro.
See, that's what
We're
I'm trying to figure
basically,
out.
we gotta walk around. There was a map all the way
Yeah,
over
but it's
there.
like many entrance points.
I
Yeah, I
was like,
know.
bro, are you at the start? And it was like, no, I'm already in the woods. I was like, okay, so
Why?
where are you at? And he was like, my mama passed the place, so she didn't drop me off at the front. Meaning he would be like that way?
Let me.
Hey. Sounds like somebody taking a leak.
If you listen closely, you can hear.
Water taking a pee, game.
When you see this video, CJ, shame on you. Took a terrible path. Chud master. Found him.
We found the chud, bro. We found him.
Chill on the C word, bro.
Chud, 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 chud.
He will spank you. Put that down, bro. Put that down, bro. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, no.
Hey, hey, whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, chill on me, bro.
3, 2, 1. Oh, ow, ow, shoot. He's cooking it. Oh, shoot. Oh, think we found the spot, bro. Let's see. Facts. We found a beach, bro. This is a whole beach. A tree. Chilling, bro. You see these sticks? These are walking sticks. The smaller it is, the more wiser you are. Unfortunately, you don't walk the same path.
We're all going back. Excuse me?
Bro, this guy is not no macho wearing motherfucking ass.
What does that even mean, man?
Man, why you green like the tree, son? You know what? That's a positive thing, bro. Stay
You
blessed.
green like the tree.
Have a good day, sir.
Think about that.
And notice how he is gonna have a good day. I don't even know where I'm at, but I'm telling you, this shit is nice. And that's low-key all I gotta say, bro. Feel like I'm in the jungle, fam. Shit amazing. Bro, you trim, bro. What does he have me doing? Oh.
We can low-key explore more this way. Look. To get through here, you keep going straight.
Mm-hmm. What? Come on, folks. Go.
Straight forward.
Come on, straight orange, bro. Got a sword. What the fuck you got me doing, bro? Oh.
There's a whole, that's a whole like makeshift path, if you feel me.
I'm recording for my safety, sir.
You're recording for your safety?
3.
Alright, I don't know the spear form. What's the spear form?
It's you just throw that hoe.
You look like
Oh my.
Kobe!
Holy shit.
I got a refund.
What the fuck? Chill, beat it, bro. Jumping. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh, he cooking, bro. Oh, that. Okay. That's 100, bro.
Yeah, no, I'm telling you.
And
Life
I
is
got
so
my
good,
account
bro.
since the PS4, so you better make one for the PS5.
I don't even know how I'm in this majestic
You have to
place.
restart.
But this is truly
With
heaven.
everything on like Fortnite.
Y'all can make this your life too.
Your fault.
Just go outside.
Roblox is okay. Minecraft, you can still play everything.
What the heck? How'd you get that?
Don't question.
Where'd it go?
Yo, come on.
I used my reveal, bro. I knew he was there. The whole time I did it on purpose.
Hold his
You got
little
red
legs too,
eyes,
bro.
bro.
Watch out, bro. Be careful with him. He's fragile.
Okay.
Oh, he's kind of cute, bro.
Alright, let
Yeah.
bro go.
All right, go.